Want to share your AI-generated songs with friends, your audience, or on social media? Suno AI makes it simple to share your music using a public link or by downloading your songs first. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share songs from Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Suno AI website and sign in to your account. After logging in, go to your library where all of your generated songs are stored. You'll need to access the song you want to share. Browse your library and click on the song you'd like to share. This will open the song's details page where you'll find several available actions. Make sure you've selected the correct version before sharing it. Next, click the Share button or open the Options menu if the Share option is located there. Suno AI will generate a shareable link for your song. Anyone with the link can view or listen to the song according to your sharing settings. Click Copy Link, then paste it wherever you'd like to share your music. You can send it through email, messaging apps, or post it on supported social media platforms. Take a moment to test the link before sending it to others. If you prefer, you can download your song first, then upload the audio file directly to another platform, provided your account and usage rights allow it. This option is useful if you want to include your music in videos, presentations, or other creative projects. Return to your library anytime to share additional songs or update your sharing preferences if those options are available for your account. So, you've successfully shared a song from Suno AI. And that's how to share songs from Suno AI. Whether you're sending a simple link or sharing downloaded audio, it's an easy way to let others enjoy your AI-generated music. Before sharing publicly, make sure you're familiar with your account's sharing features and any usage rights that apply to your songs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.